Right now, I am here, somewhere on the mountain. I am looking for a abandoned or crashed airplane from like the 90s that I just found out last week, that it was somewhere here on this mountain. So we're going to find it. And I'm in this hole because I thought it would look cool.
Has the right to live their life.
Was that funny? Tom fell off a roof in college and now he can't speak.
Who's closer to the GOAT? Is it Mahomes to Brady?
What beautiful scenes. It's been about 10 minutes and I haven't left this spot. I really wish it would start raining. Really want to start... What the... I am free to talk how I want to talk. There is no one here to stop me. But I got nothing to say. I always think I got things to say in my head and then I start opening my mouth and then really there's nothing. Well, I suppose we should carry on. I have no idea where I am. It's like this is the reason why people get mad at people coming on the mountain, I think. When they have to fork out money for the rescue helicopter to come save them. Generally, they're tourists. I could be making that up. Or people going out of their depth. I am not out of my depth. My depth is deep. My depth is incredibly deep. Got my parka on to stop the cold in that. Follow the blue triangles. Blue triangles. Presume this way. Now these blue triangles, I believe, are they're like paths for the trappers that come set these traps on the mountain. The dock people. Not for casuals like I. Except I am no casual or mere mortal. I am Rico. Man, I am both of those things. I am casual and mortal. Except a more cooler way. I presume it's down here. Flip. I will stop the recording and find my bearings. Now I have just arrived in a little clearing with open skies. Change of biome, new biome. So dumb. Hey, what the hell? What are these? Poison darts. Leaving again. Now we're getting comfortable with the camera. Holding it out and stuff. Like all those obnoxious YouTubers. Catch. I made it to the waterfall. Whoa. Never mind, I have just got in contact with my source, and at that junction, that crossroads, we turn the other way. So that's where it is. Okay. Let's freaking go. I am back at the crossroads. At the junction. Let's go. We gotta make this quick, because I do not want to be stuck here in the dark. Ooh! There ain't no plane. It's just debris. This plane crash site and all features associated with this are great significance and protected. Please leave all relics. Now, I did bring these, but out of respect for the sign, I will not use them. So in the bag they go. I will just take videos. They got cooked. I don't know why I would think it would be an actual intact plane. Thought there'd be wings and stuff. Ooh, wooden bits. Wooden bits. It looks like a door. No propellers or nothing. Damn, it must have come. Big ass sheet thing. That's pretty cool. Not cool that it crashed, because someone probably died. That looks like camouflage. Oh! Stay tuned. Ah! Man down! Ow! I hit my shin. That was a bad outro. Yeah, I guess this is it. Got to the waterfall, got to the plane, had a good walk and stuff. Yeah, I'm probably going to put all the stuff, my camera and stuff in my bag and just boost back to my car as quick as I can, because I don't want to be stuck in here while it's dark. But anyway, if you watched it and enjoyed it, thank you, and you're welcome. And yeah, if you want to subscribe, do that, hang out, and yeah, probably be doing more stuff. Now I got this little camera thing, and I want to make videos and things. So yeah. Okay, bye. Oh. Ooh. Peace out.
Oh, everything is earned in this life, baby, nothing given. Heard you cut your bestie off, I know that was a tough decision.